Turkish Aerospace Industries has successfully delivered a fleet of 6 T129 ATAK helicopters to the Philippine Air Force. The last two T129 ATAK ATAK helicopters were received from Turkish Airgantara Industry on December 20, 2023 at Wallace Air Station in San Fernando, La Union. The two ATAK helicopters will officially join the 18th Assault Squadron, 15th Assault Wing along with 4 other ATAK T129Bs delivered since last year, and the AW109E power-armed helicopter received in December 2014, and this delivery is part of the Helicopter Acquisition Project $269 Phase 2 ATAK, which is a Horizon 2 phase priority project under the revised AFP modernization program. These new assets will complement Jordan's existing Bell R-1's QE Cobra ATAK helicopters as well as armed observation and light transport helicopters in the Philippine Air Force inventory. The Philippine Air Force aims to expand its T129 inventory to at least 12 to 18 units, with plans underway to secure funding for more helicopters who are satisfied with the performance of these helicopters. The Air Force intends to order a second batch of 6 T129s, aiming for a total fleet of 24 helicopters. The Air Force seeks to reach the number of 18 helicopters in its inventory in the near future. The T129 ATAK helicopter is a twin-engine all-weather attack helicopter based on the A129 Mangusta platform developed in response to the requirements of the Turkish Armed Forces. These helicopters serve tactical attack and reconnaissance purposes. The Philippines emerged as a key export market for ATAK's T129 helicopters after previous export permit issues led Pakistan to cancel its order. The T129 offered a variety of upgrades, including modified airframe avionics and weapon systems integrated into the A129 airframe. The contract cost for 6 T129 helicopters is 13.722 billion Philippine pesos. Turkish Aerospace Industries began deliveries of T129 ATAK helicopters in March 2022 and is expected to complete the final 2 deliveries to Clark Pampanga Air Base in 2023. 3 deliveries were initially delayed due to political conflict between Turkey and the United States regarding Turkey's acquisition of S-400 air defense missiles from Russia, which affected America's approval to export helicopter engines to Turkey. The helicopters that are part of the Philippine Air Force's modernization plan will operate under the 15th Attack Wing for close air support, armed surveillance and reconnaissance missions, joining the existing ATAK helicopter fleet. A component of the Armed Forces of the Philippines' AFP modernization program, according to the country's Department of National Defense, the T129 will be a force multiplier on the battlefield, supporting land and maritime operations. As an asset, the PAF's 15th Attack Wing will complement the PAF's fleet of armed observation and light transport helicopters. This ATK T129, which is one of the best and most advanced systems acquired so far, is critical in achieving the AFP's goal of achieving a credible defense posture. Castillo said the role of the T129 ranges from close air support. Philippine Air Force PF spokesperson Colonel Maria Consuelo Castillo told the forum specifically that the role is an all-weather platform and is designed for advanced attack and reconnaissance missions in day and night conditions. The procurement package includes training and logistical support. Castillo and the initial group said PAF pilots have undergone basic training and instruction on T129 in Turkey, and there is still much more to follow as the integration or phasing of procurement of new and advanced platforms will face challenges in terms of training and maintenance of human resources. Castillo said this new acquisition requires the PAF will dedicate more pilots and maintenance crews to fly and maintain the platforms for its day and night operations, in addition to the initial training of flight crews. Recurring training must be programmed regularly for continuity of operations, must also be ensured through efficient service and logistics support for internal and external security threats. The T129 helicopters delivered to the Philippine Air Force are equipped with a full arsenal, including 70mm anti-T-SIR rockets and guided missiles, 19-round rocket launchers for 70mm unguided rockets, and I-197 20mm triple-barrel rotary cannons are installed in them. Furthermore, the T129 has the ability to be armed with additional weapons such as rockets and UMTA anti-tank missiles, as well as short-range Stinger air-to-air missiles currently in possession of the Philippine Air Force.